No, Balam, make discussion. Don't come to us, Balam. You are killing Ugandans, you are killing innocent Ugandans. Taxpayers' money, wasting taxpayers' money.
Cut on, cut on. I rap TikTok.
Stop funding the dictator! 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 Stop hosting the dictator! Stop hosting the dictator! Stop hosting the dictator! Stop hosting the dictator! Marriott! Stop hosting the dictator! Marriott! Stop hosting the dictator! Marriott! Stop hosting the dictator! Marriott!
Tuli Toronto, tuli Ottawa.
Stop hosting the dictator!
Marriott! Stop hosting the dictators! Marriott! Stop hosting the dictators! Marriott! Stop hosting the dictators!
Tuli Ottawa, aba NRM bali wano ku Marriott Ottawa.
Stop hosting the dictators! Marriott! Stop hosting the dictators!
Bali ku hotel balinayo convention. Eri mukuru Balam. Aliyo mukuru Balam.
Uganda is bleeding because of Museveni. Marriott. Stop hosting the dictator. Marriott. Stop hosting the dictator. Stop hosting the killer. Marriott. Stop hosting the dictator. Marriott. Stop hosting the dictator. Stop hosting the killer. Museveni is a killer. Museveni is a killer. Stop funding the dictator. Stop funding the dictator. Stop funding the dictator. Museveni is a dictator. Museveni is a dictator. Museveni is a murderer. Museveni is a killer. Marriott. Stop funding the dictator. Marriott. Stop hosting the dictator. Marriott. Stop hosting the dictator. Museveni is a killer. Museveni is a killer. Museveni is a murderer. Museveni is a murderer. Museveni is a murderer. Marriott. Stop funding a dictator. Marriott. Stop hosting dictators. Marriott. Stop hosting killers. Museveni killer.
Museveni is a killer.
Uganda is bleeding.
Uganda is bleeding.
Because of Museveni.
Tapping a screen, sharing a video.
Because of Museveni.
Share a talk while you come.
Because of Museveni.
Marriott.
Stop funding the dictator.
Marriott.
Stop funding the dictators.
Marriott.
Stop hosting the dictator.
Museveni is a dictator.
Museveni is a dictator.
Museveni is a
Tapping a screen here.
Museveni is a murderer. Uganda is bleeding.
Because of Museveni.
Uganda is bleeding.
Because of Museveni.
Marriott.
Stop hosting killers. Stop hosting killers. Stop hosting killers. Stop hosting killers. Stop hosting killers.
Uganda is bleeding.
Because of Museveni.
Uganda is bleeding.
Because of
Tapping a screen to Ottawa. Sharing a video, tapping a screen.
Because of Museveni.
Museveni is a murderer.
Museveni is a murderer.
Museveni is a killer.
Museveni is a killer.
Museveni is a killer.
Museveni is a killer.
Museveni is a murderer.
Museveni is a murderer.
Canada.
Stop funding the dictator.
Canada.
Stop funding the dictator. Stop funding the dictator.
I said, you know, fam, you guys can stay here as long as you walk inside, you guys start chanting.
Stop funding the dictator.
We are protected by police.
Stop funding the dictator. Museveni is a dictator.
Museveni is a murderer.
Museveni is a murderer.
Museveni is a murderer.
Museveni is a murderer.
I said that to them, don't get twisted. I try to do you guys a favor. I like for him to protect you.
Marriott, you're wasting the national resistance movement. It is the party in power in Uganda. They have killed a lot of Ugandans. They have violated human rights. If you don't know, very many bills that are sought against human rights have been passed in Uganda. I might be surprised Marriott could host such a dictatorship in this hotel, in this exotic hotel. You shouldn't have hosted a dictator's government. The national resistance movement is a dictatorship from Uganda. It's a dictatorship from Uganda. This president has been in power for 40 years, abusing the rights of Ugandans. You shouldn't, Marriott. If you love human rights, you shouldn't have
Tapping a
hosted
screen,
a
sharing a
dictatorship
video.
in your hotel.
Sharing a video.
Stop hosting the dictator.
Tuli eno ku Marriott Hotel emuntu ya Ottawa. Olukungana lwa NRM Jeruli.
Because of Museveni.
Uganda is bleeding.
Because of Museveni.
Uganda is bleeding.
Because of Museveni. Stop hosting dictators.
Marriott.
Stop hosting killers.
Marriott.
Stop hosting killers.
Marriott.
Stop hosting killers.
Museveni is a dictator.
Museveni is a dictator.
Museveni is a dictator.
Museveni is a killer.
Museveni is a killer.
Museveni is a killer.
Canada.
Stop funding the dictator.
Canada.
Stop funding the
Tapping a screen, sharing a video.
Stop funding
Tuli eno Ottawa. Olukungana lwa NRM gye bali Basaga, mukulu Balamu n'abalala bali eno wano ku Marriott Hotel.
the dictators. Stop funding the dictators. Stop funding the dictators.
Museveni is a dictator.
Museveni is a dictator.
Museveni is a thief.
Museveni is a thief.
Museveni is a thief.
Museveni is a thief.
Canada.
Stop funding the dictator. Stop funding the dictator.
Tapping a screen gwe.
Stop funding the dictator.
Sharing a video, tapping a screen.
Stop funding the dictator.
Marriott.
Stop hosting the killers.
Marriott.
Stop hosting the dictators.
Marriott.
Stop hosting the dictators.
Marriott.
Stop hosting the dictators. What's on shooting?
Stop hosting the dictators. Stop hosting the dictators. Stop hosting the dictators. Stop hosting the dictators. Uganda is bleeding. Because of Museveni. Because of Museveni. Because of Museveni. Because of Museveni. Stop hosting the dictators. Stop hosting the dictators. Stop hosting the dictators. Stop hosting the dictators.
Tapping a screen. Tuliye no Ottawa kumukolo gwa NRA Mutegeseyo convention kuliko mwami Balamu ambassador wa Uganda Canada tuliye no ku Marriott Hotel eri Ottawa wenjogere sawa zino National Unity Platform na Canada chapter nayo esazeewo ejje erage obutali bumativu bwabwe olw'ensi Uganda. So n'olwekyo tuli waneno ku Marriott Hotel.
Museveni is a dictator. Museveni is a dictator.
Tapping a screen yo, tapping a screen.
Museveni is a dictator.
Tapping a screen yo.
Museveni is a dictator.
Tuli eno ku Marriott Ottawa.
We are Ugandans living in Canada. You are hosting the national resistance movement. This is the party in power in Uganda. It has been in power for 40 years. They have killed many Ugandans innocently. If you want to know what we are talking about, just Google Uganda. If you want to know, you just Google the report by the United States government and Google the report of Uganda. You will know what we are talking about. It is that same national resistance movement you are hosting. There's no human rights respect in Uganda. There's a lot of human rights violations in Uganda. They kill opponents of the government. If you are
tapping a screen, sharing a video.
Crime, you cannot be who you are in Uganda. You have to support them or you die. You have to support them or they poison you. You have to support them or they kill you. You have to support them, if not, you don't deserve to be a Ugandan. Marriott, shame on you. Marriott, shame on you.
Those are
Shame on you.
Shame on you. Shame on you. Shame on you. Shame on you. Stop hosting the dictators. Stop hosting the dictators. Stop hosting the dictators. Stop hosting the dictators. Stop hosting the killer. Museveni is a killer.
Museveni is a murderer.
Museveni is a murderer.
Museveni is a murderer.
Museveni is a murderer.
Marriott.
Stop hosting the killers.
Marriott.
Stop hosting the killers.
Museveni is a killer.
Museveni is a killer.
Museveni is a murderer.
Museveni is a murderer.
Museveni is a murderer.
Museveni is a murderer. Mwanikeni pande, mwanikeni pande. Mwanikeni pande. Museveni is a killer.
Museveni is a dictator.
Museveni is a dictator. Mubere mulayini, mubere mulayini.
Dear Marriott, I will repeat to call on you. You should not have hosted the national resistance movement. The party that has been in power for more than 40 years. Abusing human rights. Abusing human rights. 40 years. If you want to know what we are talking about, you go and Google about Uganda. Go and Google on what happened in March of last year. Which bill was passed in Uganda? Then you will know who we are talking about. You will know.
tapping a screen, tapping a screen, tapping a screen.
You will know who we are talking about tonight. Shame on you, Marriott. Shame on you.
Shame on you. Shame on you. Shame on you. Shame on you. Shame on you. Shame on you.
Shame, Marriott. Shame on you, Mario.
Because of Museveni.
Shame on you. Shame on you.
Marriott.
Stop hosting a dictator.
Marriott.
Stop hosting a dictator.
Marriott.
Stop hosting the dictators.
Marriott.
Stop hosting the dictators.
Marriott.
Stop hosting a dictator.
Marriott, please stand on the right side of history and do not host someone that abuses human rights. This is public knowledge. This is knowledge that can be found on the internet. This is knowledge that can be found on all reports straight from the United States. Human rights violations are very, very evident. They are very, very evident. Canada.
Stop funding the dictator. Stop funding the dictator.
Canada.
Stop funding the dictators. Stop funding the dictator. 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 Stop funding the dictator.
Tapping a screen, sharing a video boy.
Canada.
Tapping a screen, sharing a video. Tuli Ottawa, Kungana wa NRM. Tuli Ottawa.
Enough is enough. 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 Enough is enough.
Canada. Canada, go Canada. Museveni is a madara.
Museveni is a madara.
Museveni is a kira. Museveni is a oppressor. Museveni is a madara.
Museveni is a madara.
Canada.
Stop funding the dictator.
Ottawa, go Ottawa.
Stop funding the dictator.
Museveni is a kira.
Museveni is a kira.
Museveni is a madara. Museveni is a oppressor. Canada.
Stop funding the dictator.
Canada, go Canada.
Stop funding the dictator.
Museveni is a kira. Museveni is a Uganda is bleeding.
Because of Museveni.
Uganda is bleeding.
Because of Museveni.
Women is raped.
Because of Museveni.
Women is raped.
Because of Museveni.
People sodomized.
Because of Museveni.
Canada. Canada, go Canada. Marriott,
Stop.
Stop funding the dictator. Stop hosting dictators. Stop hosting dictators. Dictators are there. Enjoying taxpayers' money. Canada, Canada. Kunga kunga, 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 kunga Ottawa, kunga Ottawa, kunga Ottawa, kunga Ottawa, kubala muguguno, kubala muguguno, kubala muguguno, kubala muguguno, kubala muguguno, kunga kunga, kunga kunga, kunga kunga, kunga kunga. Kunga kunga, Canada, Canada. Stop funding the dictator. Canada, Canada. Stop funding the dictator. Museveni is a madara. Just do the tudo. Just do the tudo.
Stop funding the dictator.
Museveni is the oppressor.
Yes, we have a Ottawa,
Canada, 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 Ottawa, Ottawa.
baguze Abanigeria, baguze Abanakenya, ne babaleeta mu conference babayisa Bannayuganda. Babayisa Bannayuganda nga bayisa omwo nga bawadde ssente nga bakozesa ssente z'Abannayuganda bali omwo. Nabwe bwe bakikola bagenda ne bafuna Bannakenya, ne bafuna Abanigeria, ne babasasula, ne babaleeta nga bayita Bannayuganda ne bakola conference. Kati twakiguddemu ne tujja abazowooza ne badduse beekwesa omwo no problem. So kyekiriwo tuprotestinga for human rights abuses nga bwe mubimanyi byonna ebigenda mu maaso Uganda, killings, torture. Of course, chetuli mu kwekalakaasa wano teri kuzikiza kulabisa
tapping screen yo tuli Ottawa olukungana lwa NRM lugenda mu maaso tapping screen
so tapping tapuza weekend kyekiri wano
Balam n'abalala ba NRM.
Canada.
Tapping a screen, sharing a video.
Museveni is a killer. Museveni is a thief. Museveni is collapse.
Museveni is corrupt.
Canada.
Stop funding a dictator. Uganda is bleeding.
Women are left
Because of Museveni.
People are killed
Because of Museveni.
Canada.
Stop funding the dictator.
Canada.
Stop funding the dictator.
Museveni is a murderer. Museveni is a killer. Museveni is a cruel.
Museveni is a cruel.
Killer.
Museveni is a killer.
Enough is enough. Museveni.
Enough is enough.
Enough is enough. Enough is enough. Museveni must go.
Tapping a screen.
Canada.
Stop funding a dictator.
Canada.
Stop funding a dictator.
Ottawa.
Stop funding the dictator.
Ottawa.
Stop funding the dictator.
Canada.
Stop funding the dictator.
Museveni is a murderer.
Museveni is a murderer.
Museveni is a killer.
Museveni is a killer.
Canada.
Stop funding the dictator. Stop funding the dictator.
Museveni is a killer.
Museveni is a killer.
Museveni is a murderer.
Museveni is a murderer.
Museveni is a killer.
Museveni is a killer.
Museveni is a oppressor.
Museveni is a oppressor.
Museveni is a murderer.
Museveni is a murderer.
Uganda is bleeding.
Because of Museveni.
Uganda is bleeding.
Because of Museveni.
Canada.
Stop funding the dictator.
Stop funding our oppressor.
Stop funding the oppressor.
Stop funding a dictator.
Stop funding the dictator.
Stop funding a dictator.
Funding the dictator.
Canada.
Stop funding the dictator.
Canada.
Stop funding the dictator.
Stop funding a killer.
Stop funding the killer.
Museveni is a killer.
Museveni is a killer.
Museveni is a murderer.
Museveni is a murderer.
Museveni is a killer.
Museveni is a killer.
Canada.
Stop funding the dictator.
Canada.
Stop funding the dictator.
Uganda is bleeding.
Because of Museveni.
Uganda is bleeding.
Because of Museveni. Because of Museveni.
Agapigagano. Galidega kuse. Canada.
Stop funding the dictator.
Canada.
Stop funding the dictator.
Museveni is a murderer.
Museveni is a murderer.
Museveni is a
Tapping a screen, sharing a video.
Museveni is a dictator. Stop funding the dictator.
Canada. Museveni is a killer.
Museveni is a killer.
Museveni is corrupt.
Museveni is corrupt.
funding a dictator. 40 years in power. Stop funding a dictator. Stop funding our oppressor. Stop funding our oppressor. Stop funding our madala. Stop funding a dictator.
So we are going to stay here for an hour and hold out our flyers. Reason, the hotel is not exclusively for the NRM. So any guest can call and we will get a ticket. Then if you want our message to be passed, we can be here for an hour. Then go by the roadside, pick out our megaphone. I don't know what you think.
Let's be here for 1 hour.
Then we go there. Yeah, because they said if NRM had hired the whole hotel, the oppressors are in there. The dictators, the killers are there.
Tap share the video, please. Share the video. To the Ottawa Marriott Hotel. NRM party
Then we can go to the roadside.
is there in the convention.
Because we want even the people who are coming in to read our message. Then we will go to the roadside.
Batwikidde poliisi ne poliisi y'e Canada eno teryanguzi. Eno teryanguzi eyeeno. Share the video. Ottawa Marriott Hotel. NRM convention mwe tuli bali eno bakulembeddwamu Balamu ambassador.
Canada. They are here spending taxpayers' money. They are here wasting taxpayers' money. Lying that Museveni is not a killer. But they are here spending.
That guy is a killer.
Investigate about him. He has a case in Uganda. Investigate about that man. He has a rape case. Nixon has a rape case in Uganda.
They are here spending taxpayers' money.
Tapping a screen sharing.
They paid all the
By the police and police yeno teryanguzi.
to come and attend the conference.
Bali Marriott Hotel waise police yeno ne police yeno teryanguzi eri okutukuma. Si ye Uganda.
You bribe people to attend the conference. People have been paid to attend the conference. They brought them from Toronto. They paid them to come attend the conference.
This is Canada, this is Uganda.
Yes. They can't corrupt the police of Canada. They can't stop our voices. They are murderers. This police is Canadian police, not Uganda police. You can't corrupt the Canadian police. This is not under Museveni's wish. So Balam and your people in there, just know this is Canada. This is not Uganda. The police can't be coerced into whatever you want to do.
Yeah.
We are here peacefully telling you that you are doing us a disservice as a country.
Yes.
You are making us homeless.
Yes.
You people are useful idiots.
Thank you. Omunala oyo wakabi. Balamu. Lelo oyidde Balamu. Bisemu Anderson yongeza live.
Tapping a screen, you're sharing a video gwe. Naye nga temugaba birabo. Kale mubireke nshegera kye muyitamu. Bayise police ne zijja motoka nnya naye nga police yo eriwo okutukuuma. Twogerera bo bali wano munda convention mu hotel omwo mwolaba mwe bali baba nupu bali bweru sofa nga basasudde abaana aba Toronto babawadde bisatu bazza abaana 30 bazze abaana 30 bazze abaana 30 basasudde 3 is pay every people temumanyi ku luzungu
ahagana maaso
Balam nebo amujali kajja mu lubuto ono luganya okuva no inside wa downtown. This is a thief. You a thief. Look at this
tap your screen. Tapping a screen, tapping a screen, tapping a screen. Tapping a screen, tapping a screen, tapping a screen. Kungana lwa NRM. Kungana lwa NRM. Leave me alone.
Why are you provoking us? Yes, yes, yes.
Bamuzizayo munda. Bamuzizayo munda badaze provokinga wa NRM. Bamuzizayo munda badaze provokinga uyo.
This is not Uganda.
Uyo adaze polisi nemuzayo munda.
Abasajja abakulu eno Canada ndalamunyo. People power! People power! Our power! People power! Our power! Our power! Tukakane, tukakane, tukakane. Bana echera bisiza choche.
Chigena kunyowa nebisati yache ya yero.
Polisi akabisala
bikola accountability mu byogera n'abantu wano.
Sharing a video wa NRM wadafuddeyo okujja provokinga abantu. Polisi nemuzayo bubi nnyo munda, addayo munda. Genda wali said. Bamugambye ddayo. Bamuzizayo misinde.
President bayagamba ati bamutwala atali.
Bamututali nyata yo munda genda wali genda. Bamugobye genda. Genda muko. Genda.
Analoza bya Uganda nze munene wano. Ne bamutwalanga kaguddeyo. Ngamba genda itaho.
Mwe mulowooza eno polisi ya Uganda. Mwe mulowooza eno polisi ya Uganda
temuswala muli kusata mukyaswala muswaza. Omwana ono omuzukulu ni mugamba ki?
Tapping a screen, you sharing a video gwe. Owa NRM afulumye. Mwami Balam yasoso okufuluma jayogere naffe nekigana. Polisi nemuzayo. Genda mu.
Nabano ofisa NUP bagamba nnyo bano ofisa be Canada beni.
Wande ndanayo tukisusi. Tuli Montreal, tuli Ottawa.
I'm a victim of military torture. I've never been in the military, but I was tortured by the military.
They pressed his private parts.
They detained me in the military detention. They made me homeless. They castrated me. I can no longer give birth. So I'm not happy with the government of Museveni. These people, the National Resistance Movement, like
tap your screen.
Agambye nti people power. People power. Our power. People power. Our power.
Tap your screen, tap your screen, tap your screen. Tap your screen.
And putting a crime on NUP members. Hey, US Embassy, be aware of that.
Tapping a screen. Tap your screen, please. Share the video. Share the video in Ottawa, Marriott Hotel. Otuli. Emmere eganye okgenda.
People power. Musajja teyeegatta manyi myaka gyamaze kateyeegatta balowooza muzannyo oli
oyo si munnauganda oyo si munnauganda baguze mugule tapping the screen.
Baide babazaye tebabaganya na kufuma wewe era balambagena mu isamani emmoloka ya Balam bagitudde munda emmoloka ya Balam bamulese mubagisawo ekyenzude polisi wetuli kubanga balye bakuba jeke ate ffe tuwa obukuumi ne polisi ekimanyi they have the money, we have the message. They have the money, we have the message. That's why police protect.
Oluzungu luleke mukomanda kiba kinakuswaza. Tap in the screen, share the video. Share the live, please. In Ottawa. Yeah. The 7 must go.
Thank you so much.
Thank you for the security.
Madam they understand us.
Thank you, Canadian police, for the security. Thank you, Canadian police, for security. Thank you, we appreciate Canada and the police.
Thank you very much.
Tapping a screen, we're sharing a video to Ottawa.
People power. Our power.
Pola.
Yes.
Kakati okubakunya protection nendala nzize bagenda kukwatira wena. Thank you, Canadian police. Thank you, Canadian police.
Thank you all our police. Thank you all our police. Thank you all our police. Thank you all our police. Uganda.
Oh no, don't talk about it.
This is not Uganda.
Uganda, where you arrest us when we assemble.
The murderers are in there.
September 7 must go.
Tap to the screen.
Bajja kiwulira. Bagenda kiwulira eno Canada. Bagenda kiwulira. Rastaman says so.
This is not Uganda.
This is Canada. This is Canada. Tewali muzanyo.
Actually, this is a message to police, and we know police can deliver this message to IRCC.
Yes.
Whenever you see anything to do with Uganda governments, be conscious, because they move with chemical weapons. They bring poison to poison us here, because they don't want what we are doing. We are exposing them.
Yeah.
They've been in power for the last 40 years.
Yes.
Every day they arrest people.
They have
Every
paid
day
people
they
to
kill
attend the
Ugandans.
conference. They have paid them
Who don't support
$300.
this.
We have all the evidence.
So IRCC,
Yes.
immigration, scrutinize those invitations. Deny them visas to come to Canada.
Those government officials.
Deny them as US did and UK. They deny them entry.
Canada
They are just
government
playing on
applied the
Canada,
Magnitsky Act.
because
Applied the
Canada
Magnitsky Act. Most of the
immigration
government officials
hasn't
in
been
that room
vigilant
are
to know
corrupt
all
officials.
about this. Museveni has been in power for the last 40 years,
Killing people.
making Ugandans fool, bringing his son to succeed him. That's not a country.
Everything is on
He
record.
tramples on people's rights.
Ugandan politics or Ugandan dictatorship.
Yes.
Get all the information.
IRCC police send that
Share. Tapping a screen, sharing a video.
People from Tanzania, Somalia, giving them money to come and attend the conference. No one likes them. And they are influencing the hotel.
Just want to explain to you, like as the police, we're here to help you, but we don't have a say. That's the government. That's the federal.
Yeah, we know you send a message.
So, but we can't send a message to the federal. That's you guys.
Yeah.
So, like I would suggest after here that you should protest also part of it. Thank you. No, you're here. I'm just saying. Like, I just want
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I'm joining to listen. Thank you.
People power. People power. Our power.
But what is it? Oh, this one will get him to the Yabba.
One of the thief. The thief is there. 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 The thieves are there. The murderers are there. The murderers are there. The murderers are there. Killers. How much blood you want?
Sharing a video kwe. Tapping a screen, sharing a video.
Muliwa bannange.
Muvudde mu line.
Oh no, Dennis.
Sibe buno obudde. Obwokugira. Obwokuteesa kwezi ensonga. Soke tumale zino. Dola bisatu bisatu. Bannaye abali emabega. Remy. Ati muli bugundi mbyammwe. Mutapinga screen share video.
Abo ofisi akikacha abajo kuchikirira mu gwanga ngachasiba nemmere abachasiba nemmere abantu benale mu Canada abemmere ya Canada osomere wa Canada nditso yali mufunyo osomere oli kulumbe
bagenda kukusa Balam.
You are not going to do that in Canada.
Tapping a screen yogwe. Basiye mmere. Onkulu asiye mmere.
People power. Our power. Our power. People power. People power. Our power. Our power. People power.
Buli omu sharingira mikwano gyonge 5 yogedde bulungi.
Olutalo galuwedde tuliyambale ngule tulivimba mu Uganda.
When the struggle is over, we shall wear the victor's crown. We shall wear the victor's crown. We shall wear the victor's crown.
When the struggle is over, we shall wear the victor's crown. In the
Era muddukane emmere yammwe eyo teryagiridde.
You want to poison people. Waise polisi ebagobewo ate polisi ekuuma bukuumi kiki ekiriwo ddala ekikuwatukiddebintu byakiyaaye zangobeko
bayise polisi
kaye mudde maaso banne mulayininga eno maaso mulayininga eno maaso ati naye ateeka eno kamera maaso mulayininga eno bwe muti mpakufeke what
badibye nemmere yaabwe bayise poliisi etugobye emazego byebbo genda kumaninya mukwano wamba jangu
Ati, that's what Minister Kusada Zomingo Musolo, Valeta Deco in family Sago, but never saw Budamo. Violated Deco family
That guy ripped the dog. He ripped the dog.
Manna, to say information in
oh, you're getting that. I know my
message
bacha ate bacha bajja ko interview ekiri gato ali akimanyi bantu bafiira mu kasasiro ngambizi
kale ne muganda we yafiira mu kiteezo kale yakumenya kyeche yedibye kale do khatunulira kalinga akayiringi olinga akayiringi ngani ali
so tuwa butwa
ngani ali tuwe ku butwa tuliyeko baba
ne sababu mmere tobanga walya
ensenene zidiba nemmere nediba
naku zino ine engeri abaana ku ssomero gye basasulira emyaka ebiri sente ozijja wa
And the message, the information is from the US and Uganda. And the woman works with bus terminal in Orawa. So this is a serious business. You cannot keep quiet when these dictators are here to supply poison. So if you want evidence, I have everything on my phone. And if you hear people dying of poison, just know that the clue is from those people. They are here to share the money to do the job for the dictator. So this is the evidence. You must do a thorough investigation on who is who. The evidence is here. And I'm ready to share it with the police to do its investigation. And if I die tomorrow, I've informed the public, publicly. I've informed the police publicly. Yes. People power, our power, our.
Tapping a screen igwe. Police tapping a screen. Abekala kasanganyirira je munyirira ndalamu. Abekala kasanyirira je munyirira. Choka ata abategesi ndaba bali mu kukaba. Abategesi tebanyirira. Abategesi bali esimako bwe. Wano. My president doesn't matter the number, but the message is delivered. Message delivered. Yes. Wano water watuja kuvuga yo paka tunavuganga obuliruna kufuja kuvuga.
Mulongo damonyonyole bayise police tulabyenga balamba mugambo kudda munda. Dickson ye yani abantu babuza Dickson yani.
Dickson yali awo musajja munene wa lubuto bano tukabalinde ba.
Abera Uganda.
Etoloto twabako bayo. Bajamu bajota wabaloza utawawala nnyo kali tuvuga almost buli weekend tubeera ota tukaone buli lunaku. Nachi. Baisa police mbwe tugobe police tukumya bukungu.
Kati mukomeo kulaini. Yes. People. Our power. People power. Our power. Our power. People power. People power. Our power. People power. Mazima. Melezeyo bantu.
Taxpayers money wasted.
President said
Ajachuli. Baliwa. Yaza nyina kumapya. Abali emabega mukolayo kyeyo. Tapping a screen, sharing a video. Ebipande waggulu. Ega tutunula okulai kuki. Bakule wakoya
teriwala. Mwe eno chikwete zembabulira edwasalawo bakishi kasita kasimu kavuga kuzivuga zijjawo
Balam omulabyeko
sebo Balamu n'okujja kwe yazze weetuli wano twamusoose
mbajide mugomesi
aza ayambadde ekinu ng'abisse omutwe akakaaya nga bamugambye nti ekintu kizibu nnyo abasajja bakwekakasa Dickson kati bwe bagize n'atusinga
ng'ani ayambadde akakaaya
Balamu ajjidde mu kakaaya era ekkooti ajambalidde munda agenza okufuluma ogwokubiri ng'afuuse minisita ne tumukonkona poliisi n'emukwata ki ne bagamba bano tetwagalawo gundi muddeeyo kubanga tebasobola kukkiriza gundi ezi kusisinkana era gundi bw'afulumye olabye ejjeeka emuzizza munda ono omusajja w'engulu ono omunene kakati babagobye
kati gwe wasooseyo
essaawa egi emu
kisogamba kati ye Balamu ajjidde mu kakaaya oyinza okubona
kyenkugamba kiri kimu n'okufuluma wano agenda fulumira mu Gomasi bazireesi
tulinde tulabe oma oyogera ku mulala
Balamu balugahale ono yamma gundi ebivuga Gravity wagula video ebivuga ebifu ali wano naye akalira akawulira omanya obuzibu bwa wano kulesa buli weesuka abantu bagogolinga ani bagenza okulaba ebiri eka babagamba mufulume era okizeeko mmere kukola ki bagamba mufulume ebintu byammwe era olaba emmere bagiza mu mamotoka
kama ndaba n'ebintu atasobijja
tasobola bana basajja batya pulesa kati ekifaananyi kya gundi kifa ekya hoteri okitegera bahosting omuntu abayisa batya abantu abatalina human rights ababbi abatemu
kakati kyogamba nti nno babawadde essaawa embafemu
babawadde essaawa ezizibaŋŋanti ate ekirala kyentegedde ali wakuyita manju mu Gomasi yaze yebise kakaaya ayagala kugendera mu Gomasi
lwaki ayise poliisi waliba omukuuma
abadde Balamu yalowooza byekampala abalowooza byekampala bw'ayise poliisi netubuuza kiki
jeni wulira amawulire agafendo so gugatuba kuba katukusanzeewo otuuseewo
ku makya nnyo saawa zibadde nnya ne batandika service providers okujjanga weetu
omukolo gwo gwaki
ne batulaba
soka tutandika buto omukolo gwo gwaki
omukolo guno gwa Balamu bakumatiza bantu sikitegeera nze kasaba ngamba Balamu kasaba
pulezidenti bawagabye ku ssente
bisatu
okukola ki
mu masharuto okujja okulaga nti Uganda eri bulungi
ne babawa dola bisatu buli mwana
mu sheruto naye Abannakenya luli babaleeta ne babawa bibiri kale babagambye twagala bimeka
bisatu
naye era n'abantu bagenza okutuuka ku basi nga nkalu bazze n'emmoloka nnya entono egireese emmere emu eya Balamu n'eya Dickson n'endala emu egiddemu abantu nga beenyizenga mukaaga
kati mbu Balamu agiddemu ki kati atuuse temutegedde
asibye akakaaya nga tayagala tumutegeere
kati gwani akubuusa
n'atukulira ne tumugamba ku Balamu guguno ogubbi gukuse nga bw'omumanyi nemukuba vibe banza amakulu ga Balamu nga manyi abadde nga adduka ekkolo
ng'ali mu kinu
ate bye nkugamba nkulimba ndi mwana muto Balamu abadde nga adduka ekkololo wali ali ku kisaawe nga bakkirira bwe bati kweyo gundi nga nze mmanye amagulu ge era mwe mbagambidde ndi Balamu kaako omubbi wuuyo
najjako akakaaya
Balamu n'atutumira duleeva n'agamba bagambe bakkakkane baleme kwekalakaasa twegeyeemu ne tumugamba Balamu eno si Uganda ddayo gye wavudde tolina kyogera tumatiza wano bwebawa eka walungi ddewa walungi
naye nga
n'ayingira munda n'akyusa ekisaati kyabaddemu n'ekinu n'alyoka ayambala essuuti ajambalidde munda si wabweru era kaakati essaawa zino kyenkukakasa emmoloka ye emugjawo bagiyingiza dda mu basement y'ekizimbe
ayingirira mu lifuti elevator
mirawa manju nga yesibye Gomasi okitegeera yategese Gomasi n'akakaaya Balamu ebyo byonna
kabadde kakkala ki
akakaaya kabadde ka gundi eno kale ekyeyo ekipande ekitaka kati agenda kukola ki aleese obukodyo bwa muzeeyi Besigye bw'ayagala okukutiramu naye eno Canada bajja kumutuwa bajja kumutuwa
naye baba ate okujja n'ekifaananyi ki ate Balamu okujja n'akakaaya kinkanzeemu
ayambadde n'ekinu Balamu amagulu ge nga manyi alina amagulu gombi ga kkono
nedda gabakolwa eddiini Bana wakuyibala munadda munda. Kojja tunkuje obadde akubaki. Pola.
Bamusayi muto buchakala bana. Webale. Bamusayi muto kabala mugago. Bamusayi muto bana. Webale. Bamusayi muto webale Canada. Webale. Bamusayi muto Bamugobye. Buduse. Bamusayi muto Budikisani bambi. Bupuse. Bamusayi muto webala bana. Webale. Bamusayi muto adui nani? Adui Moska mwenyewe. Adui nani? Adui Museveni mwenyewe. Adui nani? Adui Museveni mwenyewe. Adui nani?
Tapping a screen, sharing a video.
Adui Museveni mwenye. Adui nani? Adui Museveni. Adui Museveni.
Tapping a screen. Pola. Increase the volume. Reduce the volume. Reduce the volume.
Okay.
Bam.
Who is a killer? Listen.
So we spread our message. It's spread by our citizens who find Uganda.
So we go
Muimbe wawuza kundi omukyalo.
Mwebale.
Wajuliza.
Polisi naye enyumirwa.
Yabadde mu luzungu. Anti nno. Balam bapangisiza ngati. Kuliko abaki.
Naye kankubuli.
Engage those. Omumanyi.
Tufukamire wansi.
Buli omu beera mu layini yo. Tufukamira Katonda tujjeko omuntu. Nga tonyuma.
Anti nange bwe mbadde ngamba nti naddala nze.
Nga tonyuma.
Kweyambula. Museveni abonyabonyeza.
Tapping a screen. Tapping a screen here, sharing. Tapping a screen, you're sharing a video. Tapping a screen. Ta manyama gulu gabaluma ne munywere.
Kino kinaba kulabikako.
Kyekigenda maaso wano.
Bayita manju kati bayita manju.
Abaze mu conference badduka bayita manju. So that's why what we made today.
Tapping a screen. Bade mu hotel bamukuyita manju. Abantu bali mu kusiba mmere buli mwatu teswani 10 olw'abantu okubanga tebalabise.
Balamu tukoze by'okuddukira mu Gomesi.
Ne Balamu agenze n'emmere.
Balamu alayika agenze n'emmere.
Kambuzo n'omuvuka amulabye. Akyalimu nti baga akyalimu.
Bajja kiwulira.
Wanje?
Bajja kiwulira.
Mu luzungu bakyogera batya?
Mwaka.
They are here eating.
And they will feel it.
No. They
You show them to the world.
Kuhulira kitegeeza here.
Hi guys, so we just spoke with the owner of the property that actually owns this parking lot. They are asking that you not move this one.
Yeah, we are leaving. We are going to the park. That's why this is like a prayer. We are having a prayer, then we leave. That's why we're like this.
How long is your prayer?
It's like
I'm going to give you about 5 minutes. You're going to have to leave the property. Okay? Fair enough? Okay, thank you guys.
Tap your screen, share the video, and all tower. Noob chapter, commander, ba commander, ba solidarity, ba soja, ba moyo gwa gwanga, spirit of world.
Murderers, don't wait for murderers. You are not Ugandan, it's your murderers. Those are murderers. You are not Ugandan, it's your murderers. You're murdering Ugandan. You're pretending to be Ugandan. You are coming from Burundi or whatever. Those are killers, they're murderers. They are murderers, they're killing Ugandans. Look at them, they are from Burundi. You are murderers. You are not
Mukama Katonda omulungi tukusaba ojjulule Balamu
Remy, vai emotoka ite. Remy, vai emotoka ite.
Remy.
Gende. Ana gende. Wago isoka nilipanda vya fetuanisi. Tugenda wali kukubwe. Tugenda wali kukubwe.
Tapping a screen. Kevin, mudano mvano kubusubi in private land. Muvano kubusubi in private land. Mudano wali mvano kubusubi. Hello. Vamos busubi. Mujambo busubi in private land. Collaborate.
Stop funding a dictator. Seven is a dictator. Seven is a bleeding. Uganda is bleeding. Uganda is bleeding because of Museveni. Enough is enough. 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 Canada government, stop funding a dictator. Canada government, stop funding a dictator. Stop funding a dictator. Uganda is poor.
Helping a school.
Uganda is poor.
Kuli Ottawa.
Women are left.
Marriott Hotel.
People are in prison because of Museveni. Museveni is a killer. Museveni is a murderer. Museveni is a murderer. Museveni is a murderer. Uganda is bleeding.
Tapping a screen, you're sharing a video. Kuli Ottawa.
Because of Museveni. Justin Trudeau. Stop funding a dictator. Justin Trudeau. Stop funding a dictator. Stop funding a dictator. Stop funding a dictator. What do you have in power? Stop funding the dictator. What do you have in power? Stop funding the dictator. Museveni is a murderer. Museveni is a murderer. Uganda is bleeding because of Museveni. Uganda is bleeding because of Museveni. Men in prison because of Museveni. Bobby was killed because of Museveni. Bobby was shot because of Museveni. Bobby was shot because of Museveni. Enough is enough. Enough is enough. Enough is enough. Stop funding a dictator. Justice Trudeau. Stop funding a dictator. Canadian citizens. Stop funding a dictator. Canadian citizens. Stop funding a dictator. Stop funding the dictator. Stop funding a dictator. Stop funding the dictator. Stop funding a dictator. Museveni is a dictator. Museveni is a dictator. Museveni is a murderer. Museveni is a murderer. We are here. We seek for the living. Because of Museveni. We are seeking for the living. Because of Museveni. We are seeking for asylum. Because of Museveni. We are seeking for asylum. Because of Museveni. We are seeking for asylum. Because of Museveni. Museveni is a murderer. Museveni is a murderer. Museveni. Uganda is bleeding. Uganda is bleeding because of Museveni. Museveni must go. Enough is enough. Enough is enough. Enough is enough. Enough is enough. Women are left because of Museveni. People are in prison because of Museveni. Bobby was shot because of Museveni. Bobby was shot. Uganda is bleeding. Uganda is bleeding. Because of Museveni. Uganda is a poor. Because of corruption. Enough is enough. Museveni must go.
Nino mazisho.
Museveni must go. Museveni must go.
Enough is enough.
Museveni must go.
Enough is enough. Stop funding the dictator. Stop funding the dictator. Stop funding the dictator. Stop funding the dictator.
Sharing a video, go tapping a screen. Nemula tapping a screen okuyingira banayi.
Enough is enough.
Enough is enough.
Uganda is bleeding.
Uganda is bleeding.
Uganda is bleeding.
Because of Museveni.
Uganda is bleeding.
Because of Museveni.
Museveni must go.
Mutapping a screen bannange sharing a video.
Canada.
Stop funding the dictator.
Canada. Canada.
Stop funding the dictator.
Justin Trudeau.
Stop funding the dictator. Stop funding the dictator. Stop funding the dictator. Because of Museveni. Because of Museveni. Because of Museveni. Because of Museveni. Because of Museveni.
Corruption is high.
Because of Museveni.
Embezzlement is high.
Because of Museveni.
Museveni must go.
Museveni must go.
Museveni must go.
Museveni must go.
Enough is enough.
Enough is enough.
Enough is enough.
Enough is enough.
Canadian citizens.
Stop funding the dictator. Stop funding the dictator.
Muyimbanga batayina
Stop funding the dictator. Stop funding the dictator.
Muyimbanga batayina manyi.
Stop funding the dictator.
Muyimbanga batayina kipoli. Imbe.
Because of Museveni.
Uganda is bleeding.
Because of Museveni.
Women are raped.
Because of Museveni.
Women are raped.
Because of Museveni.
Baby was shot.
Because of Yoweri.
Baby was shot.
Because of Museveni.
Brenda was killed.
Because of Museveni.
Brenda was killed.
Because of Museveni.
Yasini was killed.
Because of Museveni.
Blanca was killed.
Because of Museveni.
Brenda was killed.
Because of Museveni.
Mabete is in prison.
Because of Museveni.
Many are in prison.
Because of Museveni.
Museveni must go.
Museveni must go.
Neyanza sub-zero. Osinze bangi.
Enough is enough.
Museveni must go. Stop funding the dictator. Stop funding the dictator. Stop funding the dictator. Stop funding the dictator.
Canadian government.
Stop funding the dictator.
Canadian government.
Stop funding the dictator. Stop funding the dictator.
Brenda was killed.
Because of Museveni.
Yasini was killed.
Because of Museveni.
Sharing a video, tapping a screen.
Machete is in prison.
Because of Balam.
Oh, oh, oh.
Because of Museveni.
Oh, 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 oh.
Because of Balam.
Oh, 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 oh.
Because of Balam.
The thieves are here.
Balam is here.
Balam is here.
Balam must go.
Balam is here.
Balam is here. Because of Museveni. Museveni must go. Museveni must go. Enough is enough. Enough is enough.
Lava yo. Akazi no kaleka.
The thieves are here. The thieves are. Uyo.
Akazinda lokakala sa nedda go kuvude mvudde linga akanye kugambe mbadde ne simwana yogera amazima gamba wallahi kumye bulungi nawe webale kwekuuma webale kuba Ottawa chairman president chairman naye doli kusema sema bakuwadde otubege
nze ku ground genda mu group
anze yasoose wano Kobo dani akuli obi abe waka bagamba va mu ebyo bintu bagambe baffe bafire mazzi bagebe bafire mazzi tebalina
Kunga
buli muddugavu bantu mugenda bajja kubutugavu
Agabi gadduse
tapping a screen yogwe sharing a tapping a screen
Stop funding the oppressor. Stop funding the dictator. Museveni is a killer. Museveni is a killer. Museveni is a murderer. Museveni is a murderer. Museveni is a murderer. Museveni is a killer. Kunga Freedom fighter. Kunga Ottawa. Canada! Stop funding the dictator! Stop funding the dictator! Stop funding the dictator! Stop funding the killer! Museveni is a murderer! Museveni is a killer! Museveni is collapsed!
Museveni Zakira!